Hey everyone, it's Justin. Thank you for watching. In this video, I'm going to upgrade my PDI to Tokyo, so I'm recording it. We'll see how it goes. I'm probably going to edit just to fast forward through some things, but essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to export all my data, make sure that it's backed up, and then I'm going to going to go look at the upgrade center, preview it, see what's going on, see what's changed between, I was on the early release, and what's changed between the early release and patch 1 that got released today. Today, September 21st, 2022, if you're watching this in the future. But I'm going to go ahead and run those, and let's just see how this goes. Okay, that looks like I've gotten all of those. Now what I'm going to do is actually open up my mid server. Now technically these are on my computer, so I'm probably pretty much safe. But I'm going to actually take one step further, and I'm going to move these over to my external hard drive so that I have a copy on my mid server, which is running in this Docker container, as well as a copy over in on my external hard drive. So let's go ahead and move into that folder here. And now I'm going to go to Upgrade Center, and we're going to preview the upgrade to patch 1. So you'll see here when this comes up that it's letting me explore an upgrade from Tokyo patch 1, which is what I want to do. Let me fire up my little annotation tool here. And I could have gone to this one. You'll probably see this on another video I did. And come over here and go to the upgrade instance. I don't want to do that just yet, though. So let's go to back to here. I'm going to hit go, and that should do calculating the update. So it's doing a preview. Might have to fast forward this one a little bit too. We'll see. Hey everyone, just a quick update. I clicked the check for upgrade button over here. You're not going to see a lot of in-between stuff because I was working on other things. But it finally found a scheduled upgrade. I've got no estimated duration, start, or anything like that. So just kind of feeling this out for the first time here. So it's scheduled. So that's the status. Alright, I was just doing other things, and I looked over, I clicked on this page again, and now it is in progress, so you can see kind of how it's going. I've got upgrading the platform, schema, now it's doing a bunch of plugins, and I can kind of see it there doing those plugins. So all that's happening, and everything's going along great. So it looks like it started about 4 minutes ago. And I think I was chatting with somebody on Teams or something, so didn't see it as soon as it happened. But now you're getting to see what an upgrade looks like, and this is really what I wanted to make sure was included in my video, so that we could see, so that you could see what an actual ServiceNow upgrade looks like for someone who's in the system and watching it happen. So just let this run. All right, everybody, it looks like that finished. I was actually not in the office when it finished. It took about 20 minutes, so that's pretty good. Now, the last couple steps I want to take, I remembered while that was running that I wanted to make sure I committed my my application that I've been working on. So if you've been watching my videos, I've got this Tokyo features application that I'm not ready to show off yet because it's still kind of in progress. But I want to make sure I committed, because that's the last step I'm going to take in doing this. So let's just make sure commit changes. There shouldn't be anything in here. I thought it did. Good grief, maybe I didn't. So there were 67 changes since last night. So let me go ahead and commit those. commit before instance reset. So I'll commit that. I'm glad I remembered that because I would have lost all of the 67 items. So the last step, in order for me to use my PDI like I want to as part of my job, I need to reset it. So I can't just upgrade. I actually need to upgrade and reset, or what you might better know as a Z-boot. And so that basically still happens here in the developer portal. And I've got to restore my code and bring in those imports that I showed you there. Okay, this is interesting. It's still showing that the instance upgrade is in progress on there. So it's not going to let me reset that. Let's see, that finished. So the code is committed. Let's go to upgrade monitor. And it should be the same. It should be done. And then what I'll do a stats.do as well, just to confirm I'm on patch 1 for Tokyo. And I'll wait for that. Okay, yeah, so everything's good there. So that's how it should look. And let's just do a stats.do. And what I'm looking for is that patch 1, which I do have. So we got Tokyo patch 1 issued on, well, isn't that interesting? Looks like 9.1 through 9.16. ServiceNow has been holding out on us. They've been ready since the 16th of September. That makes sense, though. They got to plan and orchestrate all this stuff. So let's come back here to the developer portal. Let's just refresh one more time. See if it still thinks it's upgrading. Yeah, it still thinks it's upgrading. So it's probably a job or something to check it. But this is what I'm going to do. You can kind of see it dithered here. Reset and wipe instance. I've got to go run a demo at the moment, so I'm not going to be able to wait on this one. But I'll continue the video and show you that reset. And then we'll take a look at Tokyo. Completely fresh and new once everything's done. Alright, so I was sitting here doing other things, and I got this email that my PDI has been upgraded. So I guess this is official. Now it's been upgraded. So now if I go back in here, I've got my start building button. That's what I wanted to see. We're no longer instance upgrade is in progress. So I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to reset and wipe my instance. So I kind of explained it before, but basically, not only do I need to upgrade, I need to reset so there's no remnants of anything, and we are pure Tokyo patch 1 on this instance. And after this, I'll be restoring all my stuff, my code repositories, and all my exports that I did, and then I will show you one last thing before we wrap this up. All right, everybody, I finally finished up. I got the notification that my instance was reset. I just realized that I'm showing you all the passwords, so I'll make sure that I blur that out in post. But I did want you to see that the upgrade was successful. I've got the new admin center. Definitely going to have a video on admin center at some point around Tokyo. The Tokyo content will start flowing from me now that my PDI is how I want it. We're starting to upgrade our other instances and get all our demo stuff there, so look for lots of exciting videos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, or share it with somebody who's so bored that they want to watch a guy upgrade his PDI. And until next time, don't forget to always be learning.